Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create LinkedIn profile for freshers, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is first of all access your LinkedIn app. Then now it's gonna show this kind of interface. So the thing is, if you would like to create a profile with any of the information that you have already added, you can choose Google, you can choose to sign in with Apple ID if you have, or you can choose to sign in with Facebook. So for me, I have already created my account with the email, and first of all go ahead and enter your password as well. Right, once you have added them to over here, you can simply go ahead, tap on this continue option. So for me, I have created with Google, so I'll tap on it, choose my account, and I will simply be able to sign in just like that with one tap over there. So you also can do that, and for you to simply, once you have done so, you can go again, tap on your profile icon, tap on your profile again. So here in this section it will simply generate all of the names and the addresses that you have on your Google. You can tap on this pencil icon, and now you can change your name, your last name. You can add additional name if you require, name pronunciations if you need, your job headlines, current position, your industry, your education, and here in the section the location, you can add all of the information and customize it according to your need here in this edit intro section. And the other would be if you want it to add sections, etc. Here it also gives you option where you can fill in the forms according to your need. That way also you can create your profile. And if you just want to and make yourself a, so I would simply suggest you to do it from your Google account, so you can come over here, edit according to your need. And that will be it, guys. This will be it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.